All right, I think we're going to be having many of these meetings, many of these issues, because I can tell you right now, this community is not giving up. We're going to continue to fight, and every single issue we're going to be dealing with, because this community is united, and that's why we're going to win.
Okay, stop.
Translation.
OK， 大家好。呢位咧就係紐約州眾議員寇登先生。今晚咧佢講咧，我哋社區咧好多問題，但係我哋都繼續努力，共同奮鬥，一路奮鬥落去。多謝大家。
Now I would like to thank the people, Henry and the others who did this research. I'm telling you, it was very impressive. It raised points that are very critical and raises very good questions in terms of what is going on.
佢就多謝咧Henry 咧，佢就已經我哋同佢講過啦。我自己咧都睇過嗰啲信嘅，好多問題存在佢發現咗好多問題，好多咧唔啱嘅嘢喺嗰度嘅。OK， OK。
The rules and regulations upon which decisions are being made affect everyone in the community. They affect all of the business owners, all the residents, all the people who live in our community and who are going to be affected by these kinds of rules. And they also affect the homeless people that are going to be living in that building if it ever gets built. They are going to get hurt too.
OK， 呢個決定咧就唔單止影響我哋居民，就係影響咧嗰啲公司啊、嗰啲商店啊，同埋咧啲無家可歸啲人咧都會影響嘅，好大影響呢個嘅決定。
Now you say, why does a technicality make a difference? Why do we fight over every single issue, every single piece? It's because it does affect us. And think about it for a minute. We are allowing a developer to build a building which is going to have effects upon everyone in the community, and city government, if their rules are such, they allow that developer to avoid having to do certain tests, to avoid having to show certain things. And they're saying that, well, we're dealing with the city. There's a contract. There is no contract. The city is saying that we're going to allow them to avoid doing these things because we have a contract with them, and therefore we have a special interest. He doesn't have to do all those things. He's in a contract with the city. The reality is there's no contract.
Pause for translation.
OK， 嗱，到寇登先生講咧，到目前為止都係冇合約嘅。OK， 因為呢個建築商咧同呢個市府以前咧就建立啦唔知咩條約我哋唔知道啦。所以咧，你呢個決定將來對我哋社區咧影響非常之大嘅。
So the question that this committee, this group is raising, and it is a critical question, and it's one that we need to get an answer for. What happens if you have a builder who says, or the city says they intend to make a contract with him, and they build a building, they build a homeless shelter, and you have now homeless people being mistreated in that homeless shelter, and you have people walking the streets because they can't stay in that homeless shelter during the day. It's built. What happens now if the city, before it completes the contract, before it enters into the contract, they decide we don't want to do that anymore?
Pause.
OK， 嗱，佢話咧呢個建築商就建築呢個就無家可歸咧，就會影響我哋社區啦。嗱，呢個無家可歸咧就好多問題嘅，佢將來咧會喺呢個收容所嗰度行出嚟行出街嗰度走嚟走去咧，影響我哋社區嘅。
So there's a new mayor, so that there's something different. And all of a sudden, the city decides we're not going to enter into that contract. Now what? You have a hotel 9 stories high. There's no contract anymore, so what happens?
Take a microphone, a new mic, please. Maybe you turned it off.
Maybe it's on. Let's see. It's on.
Okay, you said about the.
What happens if now you have a hotel built, avoiding all the precautions, all the things that the owner of a hotel would normally have to build, but now the city hasn't signed the contract, a new mayor comes in and decides, I'm not signing the contract, now you have a hotel out of place on 86th Street that's going to be used in a lot of bad ways. How does that make sense?
Pause.
嗱，如果你咧將來咧就建立呢個收容即係臨時嘅酒店，我哋叫做臨時嘅酒店嘅時候咧，會影響咧我哋呢個社區嘅。就將來咧，你唔知道呢個酒店咧對我哋咧影響有幾大。
Does that mean the hotel has to be torn down? Does that mean that the hotel is going to be allowed to be built without the precautions that the community had a right to if it wasn't a contract with the city? What does that mean? That means big litigation that we'll have to keep fighting and fighting, and that's not good. It's not good for the community, and it isn't even good for the developer who built something without finishing what should have been done.
Pause.
OK，呢個臨時嘅酒店如果建築起嚟嘅時候咧，將來咧我哋頭先講過好多次啦，就嚴重影響我哋嘅呢個社區嘅。呢個市政府咧就唔理咁多咁嘅原因，一路咧准許佢哋建立呢個臨時嘅酒店咧，非常之唔合理。
We're in this to make sure we win, and we're going to keep raising issues, keep raising questions, until finally everyone understands we're going to win. And if it takes however much time, if we can do it in the next month or so, great. If it's going to take a year or two, everyone better get very clear. We're not stopping until we win, and we're going to ask every question like this particular committee raised about what happens if you have them avoiding certain things that they're supposed to do because they're relying upon having a contract, but the contract doesn't exist. Now what do you do? We're going to keep asking it. It's a good question. Thank you for everyone who did the research. Tremendous job you did on this.
Pause.
And we're going to keep fighting on this.
嗱，首先咧，我哋多謝 Henry 咧，嗰條街坊會咧就共同努力咧，不斷咁樣爭取呢個合理嘅合約嘅 ，OK？ 佢家到目前為止，佢係冇合約嘅。嗱，寇東先生講咧，我哋會繼續咁樣努力，一日、兩日、3日，一路咁樣支持、努力，共同努力爭取落去。
And we want to thank Board 11. You've had, now the zoning committee has listened to this. It's something that's important. They're going to give their recommendations on it. Maybe the recommendations won't be followed. Shame on those who don't follow them. But thank you for having this. Thank you, Dr. Law. I'm not an easy one to translate when I'm fired up.
我係盡量嘅啫，OK， 好多嘢咧，呢啲係法律嘅問題嚟㗎，大家就知道。而家教育咧，我就知道嘅，我3個碩士1個博士係教育嘅，唔係法律嚇，對唔住。如果我翻譯錯啊，你偷偷同我講，喂，你唔曉喎，對唔住嚇。OK， 就希望咧將來大家共同努力嚇，共同努力一路咁樣爭取嚇。我自己咧都係社區咧住咗好多年啦，唔再多講嚇。OK，
So we're going to continue as long as needed. Thank you.
Okay.